Teden po zmagi v večnem derbiju je minil v pozitivnem vzdušju, ekipa se na novo tekmo pripravlja z veliko pozitivne energije, kar so prinesle tudi nove 3 točke.
It was a great victory. It was a hard game. It's amazing. You get a lot of energy for future. Now it's coming one hard game against Mura, and everybody is prepared to win this game.
Po derbiju pa še en derbi, tokrat prekmursko-štajerski obračun in dvoboj z Muro so v zadnjih letih vedno znova sopomenka za čvrste obračune, tesne, negotove, z veliko razburjenja.
Really, I don't know. Yes, it's true. It's a tough opponent. It's a good team. They have good players, but Maribor play home with fans, and we must win this game.
Tudi tokrat bo proti resnemu tekmecu, tretjemu na lestvici, potrebno veliko potrpežljivosti, cilj pa so nove 3 točke.
Yes, fans maybe they want to win 6-7-0 in each game, but it's impossible. You can win 1-0 and to be happy 3 points, and this is good.
V primerjavi z večnim derbijem bo ekipa nespremenjena, dalj časa poškodovani bodo manjkali tudi za to tekmo. Vprašanje pa je, v kakšnem stanju so tisti, ki so bili tarča na derbiju v Ljubljani, zato kader za tekmo z Muro še ni čisto dokončen. V vsakem primeru pa moštvo resno, odločno za nadaljevanje serije.
It's a good period for us. It's 6 victory. I think 1 month and half without to lose. This is good for players, for club, and I hope to be also after this game the same.
Nova zmaga na začetku druge tretjine letošnjega prvenstva pa bi pomenila tudi, da bi prvaki ostali na vrhu prvenstvene razpredelnice.
This is important to be after every game in first position, because it was not good start for our team, and now step by step, game by game, you are in the first position, and this is very good.
Maribor Mura, sobota, Ljudski vrt, 15:08.